Hi guys, Jeff from Jeff's Junk Drawer, because you never know what you're going to find in there. Anyway, got another video coming up for you. It's just a quick unboxing of a new product. Works really great. It's the TID radio. It's a GMRS ham radio setup. Love these things. They work great. They got some great distance and everything to them. I'll do the quick unboxing on it, and then if you have any questions afterwards, shoot me a message or comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer you. All right? Enjoy the video. Okay, guys, here we go. This is the TIDRADIO. This is the TIDRADIO H8 GMRS handheld, APP wireless programmable. Basically, what that means is that you can program this thing through either a website called odmaster.net or through a phone app also called odmaster. Which is really cool because you can actually Bluetooth the radio to your phone and program any channels you want in it. Now, it may be just a receive only, but as far as GMRS and ham channels, you can program all those in there. So this has been a really nice set. I reviewed another set of radios from another company a while back when I was more into the Jeep world, doing trail rides, things like that. They were great. The problem is they didn't have a lot of distance on the ones that I had. They had analog and digital ones, and of course I had the analog ones because they were more a little less expensive. So we were trying to, save a few dollars, get some communications, and we went that way. So on this one here, I did run across these a while back. Been playing with them for a little while and love them. Absolutely love them. These things are great. Now, this is a second set the company actually sent me when they saw my review of the other ones and asked me to do a review on this. Again, they're not sponsoring anything. They did send the radios for me to try out. So I already had a set, but I want to go ahead and just do an unboxing on this, kind of show you guys what all is included in it and kind of talk about them a little bit. But I do really like these right here. Price-wise on it, they're really great price on it compared to the other ones. This is a analog and digital. So the digital on this really gets out some nice long distances. And if you're using the ham side of it, of course, anybody out there that's a ham operator knows you can hit repeater sites on this and you can get miles and miles and miles and miles with it. Now, you do have to have a license for this one, which is not hard to get. It's not expensive. It's easy to do. You file for it, you do the little thing online, and you can get your license for this as well. But it works great. No problems at all. I've got a little store 3 miles from the house, and I've talked between here and there, and just clear as a bell. So just as good as a cell phone. But out on the trails, I think it'd be great. Not just trails, there are all kinds of other things you can do for it. So here's what's in the box, and I do have to make a confession. I did pillage a couple of things out of here when I was doing some other stuff. So there's a couple pieces missing, but as far as what's in here, this is what you got. So you got a nice little guide right here, the GMRS 2A radio manual. Now again, I want to emphasize this is a ham radio also. There is a couple of shortcut keys on there to put it in the ham mode or in the GMRS mode. This thing is kind of cool. It's got all kinds of stuff in here. It talks about programming, talks about the radio, talks about all the keys and what the functions they have, goes into the phone app and how to program it and things like that. And the website, ODmaster Web, so you can go in and program it there as well. And it's kind of fun, I remember as a kid, parents having a police scanner around and listen to that all the time. It's kind of cool. You can get in there and here's all your frequencies and stuff in it. But this particular kit here, this is a nice one. This actually comes with 2 desk chargers, one for each one of the radios. Works on a USB-C charger, and that's one of the things that was nice about this kit too. Pretty much anything you buy nowadays, it comes with a USB-C cord, but it doesn't come with a charging block. Now, charging block, if most people don't understand, this is where your power is going to come from. So you have charging blocks and different wattages and stuff like that, 20 watt, 40 watt, 35 watt. That's going to make the difference on how fast your product actually charges. Now, the lower the wattage, of course, the slower the charge. But these actually come with it, so you don't have to go scrambling through the junk drawer to find one, which I'm sure I've got several in my junk drawer. But it comes with it, so it makes it a little bit easier. And of course, there is 2 in here for 2 radios, 2 desk chargers, and I happened to borrow one. But you got the 2 desk chargers in here. These work great. One of the nice things is the USB-C is also in the battery, so that you don't need the desk charger. So if you're on the go and you need to charge it, you can just plug it into right into the radio and charge it that way as well. Does come with a little shorty antennas. These are semi-rigid, so they're not going to fold over in the heat. They're going to stay nice and rigid there. These are great. They do make longer ones, so it'll help you with distance and stuff like that, which I do recommend. A couple of wrist straps for it. What we have here, the TIDRADIO, of course, downloads. Got the user manual, software, product operation video, all at walkie-talkie-software.com. And this is nice. They actually give you a phone number to call if you have issues with it. Most customer support things nowadays are all email. You send them an email and you just hope you get a response from it. But these guys, from what I've been reading, they're really good as far as their customer service. Now, the radios, these are great. There's the radio there. And then these actually have the larger battery in it too. So this battery is actually a lithium-ion 2500 milliamps per hour lithium-ion pack. Things are really cool. So yeah, there's your USB slot on the back of it there, or USB-C, so you can actually plug it in if you're on the road, on the go, and you need to charge them up. And then this is our radio here. I like the form factor on these. They're small, they fit in the hand really well. It's just easy to use and everything else. So I like the little extra clip too, so if you do drop it, your battery's not going to plop off of it. But drop the front end, click the back down, click it on, you know it's on there solid, it's nice and tight. And then the other thing, if you do decide to look at different radio or antennas and you don't decide not to go with this one, make sure that the thing is large enough here and has a seal in it, because that's got to seal up in here also. Otherwise you can get dirt, moisture and all that kind of stuff down inside, and it can actually damage that connection on it. So get it all nice and tight on there. It should have some charge left in this battery.
Welcome.
Here we go. So there it is. Got a nice color screen on it. You can see that. This is pretty cool.
199.
There we go. 199 programmable channels. So you should have plenty of room in there to put everything in there you're looking for. It's really cool. You can go in there and let's see if I can do this.
16255. 0.
Yeah, just put it in there, and I think this is the GMRS side on this particular radio here. But there is ways in here.
Channel mode.
And this one does have the Bluetooth turned on, so you may not want to leave that on all the time. There we go. It's off now. That way it doesn't wear out the battery on it. But yeah, there's a great little radio, great form factor on it. On this side over here, you do have a weatherproof. Whoops, sorry. You do have weatherproof cover. I can't get it off. No fingernails. Anyway, if you can see it, it's got a headphone and it's got a microphone in it. So they actually sell a plug-in with a coiled cord. It goes up to a hand mic on it, so you can just stick this on your side and use the mic and talk, listen and all that kind of stuff through it. And then on this side, of course, you have your push talk button, and you've got a couple of programmable buttons down here. I know one takes it right to the weather station, and then which I'm on, and then the other one, yeah, back to the weather one. Oh, and the FM radio. Oh, and a flashlight. Yeah, the top one's got programmed in a flashlight on there. So, oh, strobe. There we go. And back to the radio itself. Backside of it here, you've got your 4 contacts for your desktop. Plus, minus, T, I'm not sure what that is. And of course, your USB-C on the bottom of it. Belt clip goes on here. Again, I've pillaged, so it's not in here. But that's basically it. Great mileage out of it, great form factor, great fit. Price is a big factor on this radio because the price on it is really good. So if you're looking for a couple of nice radios, you're doing some outings, hiking, trails, off-roading, any of that kind of stuff, definitely worth it for sure. Again, getting the license for it is not that difficult, not that expensive. Once you have the license on it, though, you can really start going to town, hitting some of those repeaters and talking to people in Arkansas if you want to. But great little radios. Oh, the big thing I did want to tell you on these too, these are on the ham side, these are a 10-watt radio. So they do have a lot of power. It's 5 watt on GMRS, that's what the legal limit is, and 10 watt on the ham side. So they do have some great distance to them. So again, great radio. If you have any questions on them, you can always just hit me up down below in the comments. I'll answer you any questions you have. And then if you have any other questions, let me know. Excuse me. Pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the review. And be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell on the bottom. And that way you'll get notified next video I got coming up. Who knows what it is? All right. Sounds good. Peace. Okay. Hey, hope that was informative. Like I said, again, if you have any questions on it, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. I'll answer your comments and stuff on it and things like that. And if you have any ideas for other videos, things like that, hit me up. Let's see what happens. I can do some little traveling and get you some videos. So anyway, appreciate you stopping by. Like, subscribe, hit that little notification bell down below, and we'll see you in the next one.